Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wisdom IQ. In this video, I will discuss about the wildlife sanctuaries of India. A very important topic. Questions from this topic are asked in various competitive government exams, so it becomes quite important to know about this topic. Okay, and there are approximately 550 wildlife sanctuaries in India, but you don't have to remember all the 550 wildlife sanctuaries. However, the wildlife sanctuaries which I have discussed in this video, they are very important, and you have to remember all the wildlife sanctuaries which have been covered in this video because they have been asked in various competitive government exams, right? So, and regarding wildlife sanctuaries, you just have to remember the location of the wildlife sanctuaries, and if any particular wildlife sanctuary is in news, you have to remember that also, that can be asked in various exams. So let's start. Here you can see I have marked all the wildlife sanctuaries which I will discuss in the two parts of my this lecture. So if you learn through this map, you will find it very easy to remember, and it will help you a lot, and it will go into your subconscious mind and remain there forever. So learn through this map. Where is the Jor Pokhri Wildlife Sanctuary located? Jor Pokhri Wildlife Sanctuary is located in West Bengal. Where is the Kedarnath Wildlife Sanctuary located? Kedarnath Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Uttarakhand. Where is the Rang Peher Wildlife Sanctuary and Zoological Park located? It is located in Nagaland. Where is the Kesar Bagh Wildlife Sanctuary located? Kesar Bagh Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Rajasthan. Where is the Gahir Matha Marine Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Odisha, and it is famous for olive ridley turtles. Where is the Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Madhya Pradesh. Where is the Pranhita Wildlife Sanctuary located? Pranhita Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Maharashtra. Where is the Sipahi Jala Wildlife Sanctuary located? Sipahi Jala Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Tripura. Where is the Etur Nagaram Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Telangana. Where is the Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Assam. Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary. Where is the Malai Mahadeshwara Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Karnataka. Where is the Dalma Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Jharkhand. Where is the Sri Peninsula Narsimha Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Andhra Pradesh. Where is the Achan Kamar Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Chhattisgarh. Where is the Ascot Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Uttarakhand. Ascot Wildlife Sanctuary. Where is the Fakim Wildlife Sanctuary located? Fakim Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Nagaland. Where is the Tipeswar Wildlife Sanctuary located? Tipeswar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Maharashtra. Where is the Ghati Gaon Wildlife Sanctuary located? Ghati Gaon Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Madhya Pradesh, and it is famous for Great Indian Bustard. Where is the Kuldiha Wildlife Sanctuary located? Kuldiha Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Madhya Pradesh. Sorry, it is located in Odisha. Where is the Kinnair Sani Wildlife Sanctuary located? Kinnair Sani Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Telangana. Where is the Nandhor Wildlife Sanctuary located? Nandhor Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Uttarakhand. Where is the Dampa Wildlife Sanctuary located? Dampa Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Nagaland. Where is the Raiganj Wildlife Sanctuary located? Raiganj Wildlife Sanctuary is located in West Bengal. Where is the Garam Pani Wildlife Sanctuary located? Garam Pani Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Assam. Where is the Debrigarh Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Odisha. Where is the Kaundinya Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Andhra Pradesh. Where is the Top Chanchi Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Jharkhand. Where is the Brahmagiri Wildlife Sanctuary located? Brahmagiri Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Karnataka. Where is the Tamor Pingla Wildlife Sanctuary located? Tamor Pingla Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Chhattisgarh. Where is the Tal Chhapar Sanctuary located? Tal Chhapar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Rajasthan. Where is the Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary located? Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Uttarakhand. Where is the Karera Wildlife Sanctuary located? Karera Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Madhya Pradesh. Where is the Chandaka Dampara Sanctuary located? Chandaka Dampara Sanctuary is located in Odisha. Where is the Penganga Wildlife Sanctuary located? Penganga Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Maharashtra. Where is the Vibhuti Bhushan Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in West Bengal. Where is the Son Nadi Wildlife Sanctuary located? Son Nadi Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Uttarakhand. Where is the Pakhal Wildlife Sanctuary located? Pakhal Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Telangana. Where is the Parsanath Wildlife Sanctuary located? Parsanath Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Jharkhand. Where is the Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary located? Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Tripura. Where is the Van Vihar Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Rajasthan. Where is the Badarma Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Odisha. Badarma Wildlife Sanctuary. Where is the Bura Chapori Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Assam. Where is the Sri Lankmaleshwar Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Andhra Pradesh. Where is the Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary located? It is located in Karnataka. Kotigao Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? It is located in Goa. Girnar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Girnar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Goa. It is located in Gujarat. Where is the Khaparwas Wildlife Sanctuary located? Khaparwas Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Haryana. Where is the Badal Khol Wildlife Sanctuary located? Badal Khol Wildlife Sanctuary is located in, the option here is not given, I think. Yes, the answer is Chhattisgarh. Where is the Ramsagar Wildlife Sanctuary located? Ramsagar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Rajasthan. Where is the Ken Gharial Wildlife Sanctuary located? Ken Gharial Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Madhya Pradesh. Where is the Baisipalli Wildlife Sanctuary located? Baisipalli Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Odisha. Where is the Rowa Wildlife Sanctuary located? Rowa Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Tripura. Where is the Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary located? Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Telangana. Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary. Where is the East Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary located? East Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Assam. Where is the Fansad Wildlife Sanctuary located? Fansad Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Maharashtra. So that's all in this video. This was the part 1 of wildlife sanctuary lecture, and the remaining wildlife sanctuary I will cover in the second part. If you want the PDF of all my lectures, you can follow our Telegram channel. The link has been provided in the description. You can also follow the Wisdom IQ channel on Instagram. The link for that also has been provided in the description. And if you find this video helpful, please like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.